Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Izzy Hawthorne from the new Lightyear movie. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, maybe share this with a friend. All of that is super duper appreciated. Alright, so I'm going to get started with our drawing. I'm going to get started by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to do a shape like this. I'm going to kind of thicken it up a little bit. And then I'm going to do a similar shape for the bottom. And now inside that shape, I'm going to do a circle. And now I'm going to do another circle. And then one in behind that. And I can color the one in behind all dark. Next, I'm going to do an eyebrow up top. So I'm just kind of following that line I made, that shape. But now I'm going to slant upward a little bit. And then come on back down, like that. And now I'm going to do a line coming down a bit, like that. And over here, I'm going to do a little bit of a little curved line. And this is going to be a nose. So now I'm going to do a little nostril, just a little oval. And another one right here. And I can continue with this line and do a little curve. And now we can do the other eye. So I'm going to do a similar shape to the top of the eye we already did. Kind of have it a bit thick. And similar shape on the bottom. I'm going to try to make them similar sizes, but it's okay if they're not exactly the same. And then we can do the circle inside. And circle inside that. And the one in behind that, all colored in dark. I'm just going to thicken up a little bit here and there. All right, so now another eyebrow. Like that. And we can do a little smile. So I'm going to start with a little line right there. And come on out. Come on over. And work our way up a little bit with another little line there. And we can do the top lip. And a bottom lip. All right, so next let's do the shape of the face. So I'm kind of slanting downward a little bit here by the eyebrow and coming on down a bit. And now we can do a chin and come on up a bit. Over here and come on down. Do a little bit of a cheek. And right here, we can give Izzy her ear. And the inside of the ear. And of course, the other ear. We don't see as much of this other ear where it's on the other side. And her face is blocking part of it. All right, so now we can kind of come on upward and downward hairline. And then we can do some hair. So we're gonna come on out that way. And same on the other side. Come on down here by the ears. And that's all I'm going to do right now for the hair. I'm going to do a little bit after, a little bit later after I've got a bit more of the shoulders and neck area done. But right now, let's do a little line here for a bit of neck. Same right here. And then I'm going to do a shape like this and slant down. And same on the other side. And then we can come on out and down. And on the other side, we're going to do very, very similar drawing here and down. And go across. Slant downwards on both sides. And we can bring those lines down a bit too, and then draw across like that. All right, so now we can continue a bit of the hair here in the back. Kind of do like 2 kind of bits of fluffy hair here, of thick hair, like that. And I'm going to put a line right here and come downward a little and go across. Same here, downward and come across. All right, so next I'm going to do a bit of a curved line right here on the neck. And now we can draw a little line here, bring that downward. And right here we can work on a big shoulder piece. So we can come across this way and come on up a bit. And right here, I'm going to do like a circle that's kind of lifted off of that shoulder piece. And I can do another one right here and right here. And then I'll put a few kind of scattered around. And a line coming down and coming across this way. And now I'm going to continue going down a little bit right here. And on this side, I'm going to put a slanted line here and slant upwards. And now we can do a bit of an arm. And the other line for the arm. And then I'm going to do a curve. Come on down. And kind of draw the inside part of that, of this arm piece. Okay, so next, let's see. I'm going to do a line right here. And come on down and go across this way. And then come on down again. And then I did like a little rectangle right here. And now I'm going to separate that into 3 different chunks. And then these are going to be like little pouches on the suit. So these are the tops here for the pouches. I can put like little ovals here in the middle for where the pouches would fasten, and then do a little like border for each one. And then border here coming down, and I'm going to put one in the middle, a little thick line in the middle of each one. Okay. And so now I'm going to bring this line over this way and come on up. And I'm going to bring a line coming down this way and bring it on over. And right here, bring a line over like this. And on this side, we can start that other shoulder piece. So big curve. And then here I'm going to kind of draw upward, like a little hill, and follow that same shape. And right here, I can do a little bit of a hill, I guess. And then I'm going to put a line here. And a bit of a silly shape right there. And then come on downward with an arm. And draw downward this way. Do another little line for an arm. Alright, so next I'm going to bring this line downward like that and do a little bit of an inside for it. Alright, so next I'm going to put a strange little shape right here on the suit. And now I'm going to come on up right here, and draw across. And then I'm going to do a smaller shape inside what I just did of the same shape. And then right here, we can do a little like rectangle. And let's see, down here, I'm going to put a slanted oval. And I'm going to put another slanted oval right here. And put a block here in the middle. Same on the other side. And now a circle. And then connect it all with these lines. And over here we're going to do like another little pouch. Same as like up here, but just a little different. So I've got like a little rectangle. And now we need to draw the rest of it. So we've got like a box, and now here's going to be the top of the little pouch. And I'm going to do a line here for her side, and we can do another little pouch here on the other side. Alright, so we're finished our sketch, and now I'm going to add some color. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!